In this video, I will teach you how to sign a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Let's get started. Hover your mouse to the pen icon and click it. Click on the AB icon to add a text. Move your pointer where you want to place the text and do a left click. After that, you should be able to enter a text. You can resize and adjust the text box. Now, click on the pen icon again to add a signature. You can type on the field and change the style of the text. You can also toggle the checkbox beside Save Signature if you want to save it for future use. You can also draw a signature. We all know that it's not that easy and precise to draw a signature using a mouse, so let's just upload a photo of your signature instead. Click on Image to upload your signature. I will take the checkbox beside Save Signature this time, so I can still use this in the future. Just drag your signature where you want to place it. This time, when you click on the pen icon, you will see the signature you uploaded earlier. Please subscribe and hit the like button if you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.